Education is the key to unlocking an ocean of opportunities. With our motto, Let Your Light Shine, we at St. Xavier's strive every day to dispel the darkness of ignorance by lighting the lamp of education. Blessed with nature's bounty, our institution sits majestically on the Zephyrite Hills overlooking the Scenic Valley. We believe there is no weapon more powerful than education and no service greater than educating young minds.
Our chairman, Mr. Johnson D'Souza, and principal, Mrs. Isabel D'Souza, always think outside the box, innovate and inspire to break the limits and want to extract the best in every student. They are up to date with current trends to engage students and keep them interested. They know how to keep their staff well ordered. They always try to capitalize upon those areas where we already have our greatest strengths.
I'm proud to tell you that St. Xavier's Junior College and the institute is well known in the whole of Raigad district. People have accepted it as a disciplined and well organized institute. Earlier students of Mahad and its vicinity used to go to Pune, Mumbai to prepare for the JEE, NEET and other such examinations. But educated and intelligent people of Mahad demanded and urged us to begin junior college because we have got capacities to strive hard, and we also believe in ourselves that we change our students' life and we direct them to the positive directions.
It is my pleasure and honor to express the rich history of this school in education as well as the academic excellence since the beginning of this institution. I feel honored to express the commitment of our professionals and the strong interpersonal skills. Under the guidance of our chairman, Raigad Bhushan Shri Johnson D'Souza, we promise the best formation of the students who step in this institution. Very often it is seen that the hard-working and diligent student fails to achieve his or her desired goal due to lack of guidance. But here, the institution of St. Xavier's School promises you the channelization of the strength of student to help them achieve his or her desired goal.
We have the staff where the teachers have been born with charisma, wit, warmth, sparkle and dynamic enthusiasm. We are unique because we have invested double faculty for every subject.
If radiation of certain frequency falls on particular material,
first is primary alcohol, second one is secondary alcohol and this is tertiary alcohol.
Morphology means study of external structure of plants. So as you can see here, structure of the cell.
So what common structures the cell has?
So theta is 120 degree. In the trigonometric table, so far we know that the value is present of 30, 40.
Here DD is showing the actual demand curve when the price is.
Why choose St. Xavier Junior College? A well-rounded education, lower tuition costs, smaller batch sizes, the chance to build close relationship with students and professors, strict in administration and discipline, situated in your hometown. To seek admission in St. Xavier Junior College, visit us at www.stxaviersmahad.com, go to Admissions tab, apply online for the desired course. Once the application form is submitted, you will be enrolled for the online entrance test. For further queries, reach out to us on the details given on the screen.